Hello again, Dr. Dan Bachman here. Today I want to go over a really quick, easy way to do self-massage on your quads. So your quad is the big muscle in the whole front of your thigh. So it starts, there's a little bone you can feel right at the top here, kind of around waistband. That's where it starts, and then it's all of this meaty part here, and it goes to the knee, and the tendon actually attaches below. But like any massage that you do anywhere on your body, remember I have a couple of easy rules to follow. Number one, the way to tell if you need it is if it hurts to do. Lucky you. But that's useful because that's your body telling you where the problem is and telling you how to fix it. So literally any spot on you that hurts to poke on or do some massage on, in my opinion, can definitely benefit from massage in that area. So that's the first rule. Where it hurts to do is where you need it. Second rule is a good amount of time to spend is about 2 minutes. I call it my 2-minute rule. So if you work one quad, 2 minutes. If you work the other one, 2 minutes. If you worked an IT band, like with a foam roller, another 2 minutes. And the right frequency for this is every 3 days. Every 3 days, not daily, because remember, you're intentionally bruising yourself with massage, which is worth the other benefits, but you're going to want today's bruising to calm down before next time. Otherwise, you might just be adding to yesterday's bruise. The other cool thing about massage is if you're doing it on schedule every 3 days, a couple minutes each area, what you're going to find pretty quickly is the massage itself starts hurting less and less to do as sessions go by. So, without further ado, let's talk about how to do this quad. First of all, it helps to be in shorts. I'm scooting to the front of my seat so I can kind of straighten my leg out. It doesn't even have to be perfectly straight. I'm going to use a little bit of hand lotion. This is just regular old hand lotion. Doesn't take much. I'm just going to spread some around here so that when I do the massage, my arm doesn't stick to it. So, and by the way, I like to grab my wrist. We're going to be applying the pressure, massage pressure, with kind of the blade of the forearm here. Not just the point of the elbow. You can, but that might be too sharp a tool. I like to use kind of the blade and hold here, which gives you a lot of stability. So first, I'm just going to kind of smooth it around. A little on the inner thigh, a little on the top, a little on the outside. So you can see it's not just big gobs of lotion there. I'm going to start up here and give myself as deep a pressure as I can handle and slowly slide all the way down to the knee on the very front. We're checking the very front of the thigh, just a pass or two. That'll tell you if you have any painful spots. And I'm going to angle a little and work a little more on the outside, so I can check that area. You can apply the pressure up and down. Sometimes they'll say always massage toward the heart, just so you're kind of helping the blood flow along. With a quad, it doesn't matter so much. I'll do it both ways. You're not going to harm yourself with that. Then to get the inner thigh, I angle a little this way and press in here. And check this area too. So you can see, what did that take? 10, 15 seconds. I've checked the entire quad. Now let's say I found, ooh, there's a sore spot there or here and another one down here. Let's say you found 2 spots. That means you can benefit from the massage in those 2 spots and just spread 2 minutes, 2 or 3, something like that, across those spots. So maybe I do one for a bit, then I do the other one for a bit. Sometimes it's the whole quad. Just feels sore. It's a little sore here, a whole lot sore somewhere else. So 2 minutes per side. It's good to check both sides because you never know. Even if you only hurt on one side, like let's say you had knee pain or hip or back pain, and let's say it's on this side, on the left side. Very often the other side has issues too, so it's worth checking both just so you can find all the issues you want to fix and fix them all at once. So hope that's helpful. Try it yourself. Let me know what you think.